What's up, guys? Welcome back to Space City Cannabis. Welcome back to another unboxing. I do believe this is my second unboxing as far as devices goes, and I'm super excited for today's unboxing. I've been waiting on this device to come in for about a week, I want to say. Guys, this is the CARTA 2. I went ahead and got it in the midnight color. This is going to be from Focus V. This is going to be for your concentrates. Super dope looking device. It has a screen. I was checking out the Puffco, the Peak Pro as well as the Utilian 8, and I finally settled on the Focus V just because I found it to be at the best price point. The flavor you get out of the rosin is still good. Now, don't get me wrong, the Puffco Peak Pro is supposed to have a little bit of a tastier flavor from the rosin from that device. But guys, it's not $150 or whatever, how much more it costs more than this device. I just can't justify that extra price, guys. So the Focus V comes in several different colors. There's so many accessories, so many glass tops you guys can buy. They just came out with the IntelliCore Max, which I wanted to have it here for this video. It's going to be here tomorrow, and I did not want to keep you guys waiting. I also have a smoke session scheduled in my Discord where we're going to go ahead and try this out. I got a few of my subscribers that are going to go ahead and join me and pull up with their CARTAs, and we're going to go ahead and just take a few dabs and take it for a spin, guys. So just let me give you guys a quick walkthrough. As you guys can see, the plastic is still on it. I was waiting for you guys so I can finally unbox it. I got the actual device here. I went ahead and got the SABER as well. I did actually cop the Puffco heat knife as well, just so that I can compare the two, see which one is better. I went ahead and got this in a similar color. As you guys can see, this is the midnight, so it matches the actual device. And then this is a pretty similar color. The differences between these two is that these have tips that you can swap out, whereas this only has that one single tip. That was what I saw at first glance as the only differences. I'm sure there's a few more. This is another essential piece right here, guys. You want to have that wireless charger. You don't want to have a bunch of cords on your table. You want to be able to just put your device down and just go ahead and walk off, guys. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to cut the video. I'm going to go ahead and take all the plastic off so I can go ahead and get that out the way. And then we will go ahead and proceed with the unboxing, guys. But yeah, man, I'm so excited. I've been waiting on this for a long time. So let me go ahead and get that over with, and I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, and just like that, we are back. This does have a slip cover that just goes right on top. So I went ahead and took that off. Let's go ahead and start off with the smaller accessories before we move on to the big one, just so that we can go through these a lot quicker than the actual device. So this is going to be your electronic dab tool. This is going to be the SABER from Focus V. It has some nice little LEDs. This one is color matched with the device, which is super awesome. Got a little instruction manual here, as well as the actual device right here. It does come with the cap, so super cool. Guys, that's just super awesome. Really nice, well designed. Got the Focus V on here, as well as the SABER, as well as an LED light and the charging port that goes right there, guys. Super nice packaging. Slips right in there. And it has like a nice styrofoam padding, so super dope. Lots of branding all over this package, so really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and show the back for you guys, so feel free to pause so you guys can go over any of these things on the back side. This does have USB-C charging. It does have interchangeable tips, easy operation, LED spotlight, which is super fire, and ergonomic design, guys. We'll go ahead and put that to the side. We'll go ahead and do the Focus V wireless charger. And again, just super fire packaging, a nice power bank, user manual, super nice styrofoam packaging. The attention to detail is just fantastic, guys. And look at the actual device. This unit feels heavy. It feels like quality premium product and just super, super dope. USB-C, you got your USB connector right there. Comes with your charging cord, everything that you need to go ahead and get set up, guys. Really cool. I really like the packaging on this, man. It's like, make sure that nothing happens to the actual device. And I'm really looking forward to see how the actual CARTA 2 is packaged. So I definitely recommend grabbing these tools, guys. Pick them up when you grab the device. You don't want to get the device and then then you figure, oh man, I need the charger, oh man, I need the Saber. Then you got to wait a week or a week and a half to get the actual things in. Go ahead and just order it all at once, guys. Now let's go into the actual device here. Let me see if I can figure this out. I'm pretty sure it just slides out. Oh, I was wrong. This is a magnetic design, guys. Excuse me. Wow, look at this, guys. Let me go ahead and pan the camera up just a tad bit. It comes with a nice little envelope right there and this super dope pack, guys. One thing I'm noticing right off the rip is that it is color match, guys. Look at the midnight. Look at the nice blue lettering. I have seen the backpacks, but I've always seen them with the green coloring. So it's super dope to realize that they do have them color matched. This feels really nice and premium. Focus V since 2015. And let's go ahead and open up this little backpack that we got here, guys, which also doubles as a carrying case. Sheesh. Look at this actual unit, guys. Oh my word. Fantastic. I do want to make note that the Midnight comes with the smoked glass top, so that's why it does look a bit darker. It is a smoked glass, and just awesome, guys. Look at all these little details. Make sure you guys take out this little plastic tab before you do your initial burn off. That is something that I do recommend, guys. Just a nice, solid, quality product, guys. I already have a joystick on the way. I have a tough tether on the way. The only thing that I'm missing is a new glass top, but I'm going to go ahead and run a few dabs with this just so I can compare it before I get a new glass top. Let's see what else we have in here. We have the charging cable. We have some more attachments. I'm guessing this goes to your carb cap. We've got some cleaning swabs, as well as some alcohol wipes, several of those, as well as a very nice dab tool here, guys. So really cool that they give you one right off the bat. And that is going to be everything that is in the case here, guys. It's got some nice padding, so it's definitely a really nice carrying case. It's definitely going to protect your device right here. So very awesome. This is the strap that goes along with it so that you're able to carry it over your shoulder or on your back, however you want to carry it, guys. So definitely makes dabbing on the go super, super awesome, guys. Be sure to let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought of the device. This is going to bring the unboxing to a wrap, guys. I am headed off to a smoke session with a few subscribers where we are going to put the CARTA 2 to the test, guys. If you guys want to join, be sure to join the Discord. Join us for smoke sessions. We have tons of them all the time, all throughout the day, where we just chat about different vendors, flour, what we like, what we don't like, and etc., guys. So be sure to check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the CARTA 2. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Official Space City Cannabis. Make sure you check out my campsite for links, discount codes, and my merch. And I'll be sure to catch you guys on the next one. Peace.